Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Dodge Challenger grill. Start by gathering basic tools and taking simple safety steps so the job goes smoothly. I walk you through removing clips, screws, and trim pieces and show how to avoid broken tabs and scratched paint. Follow each step at a steady pace and keep fasteners organized for reinstallation. This approach helps you finish confidently and protects your car while saving time and stress. I explain the exact tools and prep steps you need to remove the grill safely and efficiently. I recommend a T30 driver, 10mm socket, trim tool, and padding for painted areas. I show how to open the hood, locate fasteners, and label parts as you go so reassembly is painless. This setup minimizes risk and makes each step clear, even if you're doing this for the first time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading in the garage or waiting while bolts soak loose, and it's comfy to hold between steps. It's a nice companion for long projects and road trips, so check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. I guide you through step-by-step removal of the grill, keeping instructions practical and hands-on. You'll open the hood, remove the top cover clips, unbolt the lower valance, and then work the grill free from its tabs. I emphasize gentle prying to avoid snap tabs and suggest checking for hidden bolts behind trim. By taking your time and following the order I give, reinstallation will be straightforward and damage-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.